Hey guys, well, I know, wondering where's Candace? That is the stuff I got out of this trailer. I mean, the camper, whatever it's called, RV. But I was trying because it wasn't supposed to rain on Wednesday. But no, rain's coming. I went and got a tarp. I got some other sealant, but you can't do the sealant unless it's 40 degrees or above. So I've been 2 days trying to get that car out of this spot. You know, I drug the 75-pound, I swear it weighs more than 75-pound, air compressor, filled up the tires, tried to push it, didn't work. So I thought, oh, well, let's put back what's in my head. Oh, a tree. So I'm like, well, let's wiggle, 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 because I mean, the car was parked right there. So I had to wiggle, 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 wiggle. Took forever. Had to put the dogs up because I was screaming, I'm about to have a stroke. Trying to get it between the posts. Well, you know, I did hit that one right there, but oh well, I managed to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. But I couldn't get enough traction. I dug some holes with the wheels. So then I'm like, well, I guess we're going to have to get the truck. So I got a truck, my truck, because I couldn't find any place to put the tow strap underneath. Because, you know, it's so far to the ground, I couldn't get up underneath there. And everything I read says, oh, do not put it to the bumper. Well, you know, I didn't care now. So I used this and had hooks on the front and back. Managed to get my truck right up. Hold on, let me close this or else I'll forget. And the wind will take it away. Back the truck literally to the bumper. And towed. Had to get out, you know, turn the wheels and everything. Well, the tow strap pulled off twice, and then this was the third time it pulled off. So I put it in gear, and as you could tell, I drug it. Well, I was literally dragging it before I realized, oh, I think you got to put the key in there to unlock the steering wheel. Duh. So I unlocked the steering wheel and got, you know, turned the wheel. Had to move the little burning thing, which I'm going to have to move it now after I get Dolly up here and see where I'm going to have it, because I don't want it too close to the, you know, to the car. But so I got it towed, and that's where it's going to stay. I have plenty of room, I hope, to come in here and do what I need to do. I got to move the four-wheeler now, and that, I don't know if you can see, I got 3 sides of the kennel for the Tasmanian devil. I know I'm walking into the sun, so I'm trying to get out of the sun so I can see. Oh, there you go. So I got that done, which, you know, is not that hard. But let me tell you, it's a little rough for one human, because stupid Candace thought it was going to fit underneath the porch. So I drug a panel on my back down the porch, and I know Tootsie's hungry, but she's going to have to wait. And then when I got it down there, I realized our porch is only 10 feet from here to those posts. And as you could tell, that nice line where I drug it once because I was tired. So then I'm like, oh my God. So then I had to come back and I had to do it this way. So I did that, but then I had to go down there by the barn and pull out the cattle gate that's grown into the grass. And so I could put this other end up, because the dogs are totally confused. But I'm sorry, I have to be able to leave, and someone's going to be enclosed. And anyway, but look, see, that's not so bad. It's kind of on a flat spot. So anyway, yeah, 2.5 hours today, 3 hours yesterday, and I got it moved. So, woohoo! Let me finish my other stuff. Let me go see if I can move Dolly up here now. So I will let you know how that goes. Bye, guys. Well, I got it, Robert. Shoot, took forever. I tried to push it with the four-wheeler. It wouldn't budge. I just dug big old holes back there. So I hooked it up with a small tow strap to underneath where the bumper's attached. The bumper didn't fall off, but I slowly got it there, so that's where it's going to stay. So now I got to see if I can get Dolly up here, wiggle, 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 up and back to back her into the thing so I can put the tarp on her because the rain's coming tomorrow morning. Well, actually, like 11 o'clock tonight. So, and I can't use that caulk crap until the temperature's over 40 degrees, which was supposed to be tomorrow, but since the rain's coming tomorrow, I have to wait till Thursday to put the caulk on there. But anyway, so just want to let you know, I freaking did it. Bye. Okay, guys, I did it. I got Dolly up from down there. Whew, all the way up here. And I was able to, I do have to, oh, my glasses are falling off, sorry. My face is cold, so, I do have to make sure I put the car up there, make sure I put my car down the hill so I can jiggy her, but I got her in there 2 times. The first time I got her in, I was too far to the right, and so I, pulled her up, backed her up some more, and got her in there perfect so I could open the door. She's right up to the thingy and all that good stuff. So yeah, now the one thing I just found that the seat doesn't move like up or back. It's more like a boat that's just like on a round metal thing, and so it's stuck. So but I have longer legs than the average bird, I guess, and so it's a little funky to to sit in there with anyway. So I don't know, but other than that, oh, and I got in there and stuff, I kept hearing things go clunk, dunk, dunk, falling. Well, there was 2 candles on the counter. One did fall, but the other one stayed on the very edge, and then 2 doors fell open, and then something else fell off the thing, and I was like, oh, I gotta remember, but I gotta work on that. So whew, now to put the tarp on it so I can get ready for the rain. But all in all, I did pretty damn good. All right, see y'all later. Bye.